Hey guys, how to see unsent messages on Messenger. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Messenger app. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here lots of example, a message that you sent or received, you couldn't see it, right? And you want to recover the unsent message, or you want to see it. So if you are using Android, you can just go back to your screen and just go ahead to the settings. In the settings, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the notifications. In the notifications, you're gonna see all of your notifications history by clicking or scrolling a little bit down, and you're gonna find like advanced setting, and from there you're gonna be able to see all of your notification history in the notification history section, basically, right? But if you're like me using iPhone, unfortunately you won't have that option on your phone. But alternatively, you could just click the three bars at the top left, go ahead to the settings gear, and just scroll a little bit down till you find the account center or meta. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up the account center, just go ahead your information and permissions, and then just go ahead into download your information. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click download or transfer information, hit next. And basically if you want to select a specific type of information, I'm gonna just select the messages, basically, right? I'm gonna just click right here the messages, move along to the next step. Basically you're gonna just follow along with the instructions, right? And you want to see like your Instagram activity, right? If you want to see it, just go ahead and hit next. Basically you're gonna just go ahead, hit next again, and this is like all of my accounts on my Facebook and Instagram, and I want to see all of the information regarding those those accounts. Basically hit download to device, basically select the format and the quality. All right, in my case my quality will be high, right? I have a strong internet. But if you don't, in your case, just go ahead and make it medium, which is gonna be faster and clearer. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.